High-quality car servicing, MOTs and accident repairs from the experts at Maypole Motors. A friendly, professional and family-run business based conveniently off the A3. We've been servicing the motoring needs of our customers for over 30 years. You can be assured of a truly personal service with all aspects of repairs to your car. Being a member of Checker Trade, we're openly vetted and monitored, and we welcome any feedback from our customers. And with many happy customers, you can be sure you're in safe hands. No matter what your vehicle needs might be, we'll be able to help. For more information and to see how we can help you, please visit us online today.